everybody. This is Rudy from Dove and Dove. Christmas is coming fast. I still have quite a bit to do, but this is one Christmas present that I was hoping to finish. Now, somewhere along the travels of this owl, I lost his nose. I'm trying to put in a newbie, but one of my daughter-in-laws was this one. So I thought I would finish that, do a little extra to it. Voila. Christmas present. So first things first, we got to fix this. The big, 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 big. I'm just going to use some super glue. Now let's remember to put it in right the first. There you go. Put that in there. All right, let that dry a minute. Also have a corner spot here that we have to deal with as well. I'll show you what it's done. It wasn't very smart, was it? It's glum, I think. Okay. Give them a few minutes to dry, and I do think I have a TikTok for you. Remembering where it is might be a thing, but oh, have a look, you. I do believe it should be this box, which is just pieces of old jewelry. A lot of these little, just doohickeys. So, but what I'm looking for, and I know I had, was the clock arms right here. See them? I put it in my mind that it was there. Towards somebody. Just cause. Good. That's yeah. Fling to the zing. I call it, but yeah. So I'm going to use my okay, I got a new box. And these are oil based. So they're thicker and they are fun to work with. But you want to have a glove on when you're doing it. I'm not going to really be playing with it much. It's more just a little trim cover kind of thing. This is what I'm just shake. Push the end and gapple. So I'm going to do his little nose here. And these will flow quite freely. These pins, if you need to. Flow control. Say, yeah. Doesn't got a place at all, does it? Spot. Ouch. Okay. I gotta do something for this because I keep poking my head. And we have one here. Right there. Good. Let's page from the corner. So I'll paint it now. What I want now is this is Rosie Farm. This is regular gold. Nothing snazzy. A little bit onto one of my. These are actually when we do them on a 3D printer. If you put it on a boat, boat and then great. You have surfaces. They're big, some of them, others small, depending on what you're doing. Okay, now we need a fluffy brush. Rubs over for something there. Not maybe. Okay, so I'm picking the powder. I'm just gonna turn it off a little bit because I don't want it too heavy. Did this one before I had most of my supplies, my pantry. When I just picked art back up again, I did this one. There was a series of 3, and I said this one here was the one I had a white and a blue. And my girl, they said she really, really liked this one. What are we doing? That's all this. Oh, that's okay when you go out. Oh, I don't use it before. I'll just use that. I'm just gonna. How do you feel about that? My finger paint. Oops. Okay. Oh, I should have been smart and brought maybe a blue paint. This is pretty cool. Yeah. There. Okay, I feel better about it. So I'm going to put this in the other room, the storage space. Uh, and then I think I'll just like spray coat orange on it. I'm sure she likes it. I know she did want it hanging on the wall, so. And there you have it. So that was just a quickie hanging out with me, trying out my camera angles, seeing if my work space is improving, and share it with you. So if you click or subscribe, any of those fun things. And see you next time. Thanks for Devlin.